guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bit of a different video. I mean, it's not really that different, but I mean, makeup wise it's a little bit of a different video. Just had to sit down, play with makeup, vibe with you guys, and just go for this blue look. I was feeling like this dress, graphic liner, bit editorially, very pink. I don't know, I wouldn't wear this out, but I don't know, just decided to sit down, play with makeup, play with some eyeshadow. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette with, you know, the collaboration with Morphe. Used the bright blue shade called Twerk, so I just wanted to go with that and just, you know, play with it. This is what came out. So I hope you enjoy. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's begin. I really hope I stay in focus. I'm just gonna, you know, get started with it, get rolling. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, so let's just begin with brows. You know, using my soap brows, you know how it is. I've got a little bit of water in this spritz bottle, just, you know, spoolie scrubbing. And then I'm just gonna brush my brows. So I just want to sit down and just put makeup on and just like, I don't know. I was kind of feeling this blue dress I have on, but I have no idea what I'm going with. I just know that I want something blue, something slightly more graphic, angled, slightly editorial. I have no clue though. So let's see where this goes, shall we? Grabbing my brush, comb thingy, and just kind of like brushing and pushing onto my skin, if that makes any sense. Let me find my brow pencil there for a second. So first things first, if you're new to my channel, hi, how you doing? Who are you? Where you from? What do you like? How'd you get on here? Yeah, I'm a bit awkward at the beginning. I don't really know what to say, you know. Kind of love playing with makeup. Just kind of love doing a bunch of other stuff too. Just like baking and fashion and homeware. God, I love homeware and like coziness. But I'm also that kind of like person that will throw on a pair of heels. Always, I fucking love heels. And go clubbing and like go with friends. Like, I love doing both. So yeah, what kind of person are you? What do you like? What kind of content do you like watching? How you doing? Who are you? Just welcome, you know. Just, I want everyone that comes on my channel, this might sound corny, that like, you know, comes across my channel, just to know that it's like always a safe space, and it's a safe space, it's a positive vibes only kind of space, very inclusive. We love a load of stuff: reading, sports, beauty, music, business, learning, science. Like, we love all these things. We love being inclusive, so yeah, I'm just kind of filling in the gaps on my brows, as you can tell. This is actually a late one for me. I'm filming this in the evening, at night, when I should probably just be resting and sleeping, but got a long day tomorrow, so I gotta do this beforehand. That's as good as they're gonna get, I think. Going nowhere, so I'm just kind of brushing through. Okay, so I'm going to start prepping my eyes with the P. Louise base. This is in the shade Rumor Point 5. Just using my curling palette to, like, you know, put it on here very messily. And I'm just going to clean under here. I don't know if this happens to any of you guys watching, but like, just the first thing that I always want to do is like be super productive throughout the day, but then shit happens and we come across things that we got to do. So I actually wanted to film this video early on in the morning, have my hair nice and ready, and have this whole thing a little bit more put together. But you know how it is, you gotta have stuff to do. Just threw on like a 5-minute makeup thing and just went out the door, so this one I'm filming it so late. Anyway, I just need to head out the door and just help my mum out, go with her with a few little things, pick up a few things from my dog. If you want to know more about like lifestyle bits and like, you know, things that I do, I have my vlog channel, so you can go check that out. Shamelessly plugging myself there. But yeah, it's Nicolle ZM Vlogs. It's in the description box as usual, so you can check that out and, you know, see me, my dog, my adventures. of how I am trying to do cosmetic science and have my business and do this and that. I have a lot of dreams that I want to accomplish, and you know my journey, I'm doing it from the beginning, so you're seeing it here, folks. This is how it started. I'm probably going to be cringing at this in like 5-10 years. Probably in just one I'll be like, oh god. But yeah, just like to just vibe with you, put makeup on, play, just get back to the core of my love for makeup, playing with makeup and just seeing what happens. It's just so nice when you just sit down, trust the process and put makeup on, and if that makes you feel better then you've come to the right place, because that's what we do around here. By the way, the brushes that I'm using, the ones with the rose gold handle, they're BH Cosmetics brushes. And this brush that I'm using to blend out, like, you know, the base and everything, this is a Morphe E27 brush. I don't know why the hell I just look at the brushes, because I already know which ones they are, but I just look at it like, is it actually the one that you thought it was? My anxious ass can't tolerate anything, can she? Right, okay, so the palette choice that I'm using today is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm going to go back to basics. I really just want to use this. Really want to use something like quite like an electric blue. So first I'm going to go in with like this pinky shade. I don't know which one it is. Is it MFEO? Right. Just going to buff that into my crease, into the inner corner to have a bit of a blend, have some color there that we can blend the other colors with. I love this transition shade. If there's any palette that I could recommend to you guys, like, you know, beginners, a little bit of more experienced side, is get this one, honestly. I've used it for years. Really handy dandy. Right, we've got a pink going on. Now, I don't know if I want a sheen. Do I want a sheen? Should we go for a sheen? Should we go for a... Are we feeling it? Just kind of a... Let me have something going on, you know, because I don't want to go like there. Not really fussing too much about this shade. I have some kind of like sheen warmth on my lid, I think. Oh, by the way, the shade that I used is this one at the very, very end. So it's Little Lady. Right, so I picked this up in town the other day, and this is the Essence Kajal Pencil Eyeliner in this shade 26 Beach Bum. This kind of like electric blue, and I just really want to go for this and see how they are, because I've never tried this before. Okay, I think that's what I want to do. I'm not sure. This might turn out all kinds of wrong and hate it. Okay, I want to smudge this. I'm quite liking this. I don't know. I wasn't really quite there because I was just like so concentrated, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little bit of my Inglot Duraline and this shade, the blue shade from the palette, which is called Twerk. Nice name. And my spatula, and I'm just going to scrape off a bit and create kind of like this liner. I've got this little mixture here. I'm going to attempt to do the same shape that I've done here. And hopefully it turns out alright. Fuck. Okay, I kind of got the liner down, and now I'm gonna just clean it up a little tiny bit. I really want to stick some inner corner highlights, so I'm just gonna grab this shade right here. Oh god. Oh god. I'm just gonna grab this shade right here, this one, which is called Beam. I'm just gonna apply it right here in the inner corner. So I've got that there. I'm not sure if I'm going to change anything else, but I'm just going to go on with my face. See where this goes. Okay, I kind of want to tie everything together with the pink and just grab this one with the tiniest brush ever, and I'm grabbing the M506 and I'm kind of just gonna hit that right there and drag it onto the brow. Okay, it's kind of looking how I want it to. I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. Using the Lash Sensational mascara, you know the drill, I love this mascara. Then because I'm wearing white, I kind of feel like using white, and I haven't used this eyeliner yet. It's the BH Cosmetics White Power Pencil. I swatched out my hand and it looks really nice. I just want to try it on my eyes. Now with the Ardell Duralash Knot Free Mega Flare individual lashes, they're the medium ones. I'm gonna apply them in my lower lash line. So next I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to use the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade La La Land. So then on top of it, I'm going to use the Rimmel London, what's it called? Lasting Finish by Kate in the shade 42. I think it's Apricot, but I'm just going to apply it. I'm going to blend that with a brush. And then I'm going to use the NYX Lip Lingerie Gloss. It's just the clear one. For lashes, I'm going to use the Kiss Lash Couture Fall Mink collection lashes in the style Gala. So yeah, I love these. I've used these before, but they didn't sell them in Mexico, so because I was a while there I couldn't use them, so I really like these. Alright, I've cut the lashes and I'm just going to apply the glue. I swear, it's been a long time, my friends. I've missed you. And there I go. I mean, I don't know, I went a little bit overboard with this. Like, I'm feeling it. Definitely wouldn't wear it like outside or on a night out, but maybe the liner alone. Don't know. But feeling very editorially, if that makes any sense. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Do you like these kind of looks? What do you like? I really hope you like them. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications bell so you actually get notified of all my videos. Leave me a comment with what your opinion of this look is. I don't know, I'm just playing with makeup. Not like entirely sure about it, but hey ho. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!